Hey, what's up, family? This is Mia, and welcome to my humble abode. In today's video, I'm going to share a special moment that I had with my family when we visited Columbia, South Carolina. We did quite a bit of walking and thrifting. However, one of my favorite places that we went to was called the Saluda, if I'm saying that right, Riverwalk. I love that walk because not only could you walk a trail through the wooded areas, but also the river is what got me. So in this video, you're going to watch us go down to the river and pretty much by the bridge, go down a path by the bridge and just sit and just really enjoy the sounds of water. So feel free to use this video for a meditative video. I'm not going to really talk much until the end, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as we did. This river was very special because it brought a lot of peace and happiness. So it was just beautiful to spend time with my family on that day. So I figured I'd share with you guys. So we got some water ASMR. Yeah. With that being said, let's begin. All right, you guys, we have arrived to the Saluda Riverwalk. So we're walking as a family, getting our steps in. Ariel's back, by the way. Woot, 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 woot. So we're getting ready. Ariel's back. We're going to do a walk. And you guys are going to walk with us. We're at the Saluda Riverwalk in South Carolina, Columbia, South Carolina. So let's begin. Just a peaceful video. Nothing much. Nothing more, nothing less. Well, family, there you have it. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more similar to it, or just check out some of the other things we talk about, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like button, and notification bell and join the family. And for those that are a part of the family, thank you. I appreciate you guys. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and hop off so I can go upstairs and rest, and I will catch you guys next week. Thank you for tuning in. Peace.